How to blend text in Photoshop. Subscribe our channel. Duplicate background image. Create a black and white adjustments layer. Follow the steps. Select this layer from Select menu. Click on Subject. Click on Layer Mask icon. Add your text. Right-click on thumbnail of the text layer and choose Select Pixels. Press Ctrl+C to get a copy. And press Ctrl+D to deselect. Create a new layer. Go to Filter menu, choose Vanishing Point. Follow the process. Ctrl+V to paste and Ctrl+T for free transform. And adjust text size accordingly. Click OK. Double-click on Layer to open blending options. Play with underlying sliders. Hold Alt and click to break the slider. Click OK. Drag and drop Layer 1 under this layer. Finally, this result. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to stay tuned for new videos.